guys, today I'm gonna make a purse. I'm using a foam, glittering foam. This will be the purse, and I'm gonna make the lateral side. I'm gonna make some holes. Let's glue the lateral side of the bag. I will press until it's dry and then repeat on the other side. I'm gonna cut the corner. I'm using an universal glue. You can use a glue gun. It's easy for me to work with this glue because I can move it if I want. I will let the glue to dry. I will need a chain. And let's put the chain on the bag. So this is the bag. It's very easy to make. The blue is the color of the ear. Until next time, bye bye!